myself Neha Jain. I'm your math teacher. Please open your book. Today we start our new exercise. It is 5H exercise. Okay, are you ready with your book, pen, pencil? So today we start table of 6. Okay. So आपको क्या है, वर्ड्स में आपको टेबल गिवन है, मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में आपको कंप्लीट करनी है टेबल्स. ठीक है. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, 8 6 are 48, 9 6 are 54, 10 6 are 60. It is very easy. Similarly, इसी टाइप से हमें 6 को करना है. 6 times 1 it is 6, 6 times 2 it is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 times 7 is 42, 6 times 8 is 48, 6 times 9 is 54, 6 times 10 is 60. You know very well 6 की टेबल लिखनी है ना. So 6 1 जा 6 12, 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा 18, 6 4 जा 24, 6 5 जा 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54, 6 10 are 60. Okay, reverse counting we know that कैसे हमें लिखनी है ना. Okay, so it is done. Next, 6 multiplied by 0 0, 6 into 6 1, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54, 6 10 are 60. Next, a ladybug has six legs and spider has 8 legs. Okay, एक ladybug है, उसके पास 6 legs है ना, and जो spider है उसके पास 8 legs है. अब बोला हुआ है we have, हमें find out करने हैं. अगर 6 ladybug हो तो 6 into 6 it is 36, and 5 spider हो तो 5 8 जा 40, so it is 40 legs. So spider have 40 legs, 8 spider have 40 legs, and 6 ladybug have 36 legs. Okay. Next, write the number that come before each product. Okay, हमें find out कैसे करना है. 3 6 18, 3 into 6 it is 18, 18 से before 17, so we have to write as 17. Okay, 7 6 are 42, 42 से before 41, 4 6 are 24, 24 before it is 23, 8 6 are 48, before 47 is my answer. Write the numbers counting by 3 between 6 6, 36 and 6 into 8. It is 6 7 are 6 into 7. Okay, so 6 6 are 36 and 6 7 is missing, 6 8 है ना. तो इन दोनों के बिटवीन क्या आ रहा है, 6 7 are 42. Okay, next come on, next table. It now we learn table of 7. Okay, so 7 के हमें सब कुछ गिवन है. 1 7 is 7, 7 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28, 5 sevens are 35, 6 sevens are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 8 sevens are 56, 9 sevens are 63, 10 sevens are 70. Okay, so similarly 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 5 is 35, 7 times 6 is 42, 7 times 7 49, 7 times 8 is 56, 7 times 9 is 63, 7 times 10 is 70. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. ओके, इसका बैकवर्ड लिखना है. 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7. ओके, Similarly, this is for your homework. How we can solve it, you know very well. नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना है, ठीक है. 7 4 ज़ार 28, 7 1 ज़ार 7 7 5 ज़ार 35, 7 6 ज़ार 42, 7 2 ज़ार 14, 7 8 ज़ार 56. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट 7 days make a week. How many days will be there in 7 weeks? So what we can write here कि one week is equals to 7 day. 1 week is equals to 7 day. So 6 into 7 it is. Give me answer fast. कितने days होने वाले हैं? I'm waiting for your answers. Please mention your answer. Please mention your answer. 42 days. Okay. So 42 days is my answer. Now come on next exercise. It is 5J exercise. So in this exercise we have complete the table of 8. Okay, so 8 की table हमें क्या करनी है, complete करनी है. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 3 8 are 24, 4 8 are 32, 5 8 are 40, 6 8 are 48, 7 8 are 56, 8 8 are 64, 9 8 are 72, 10 8 are 80. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 is 32, 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 6 is 48, 8 times 7 is 56, 7, 8 times 7 is 56, 8 times 8 is 64, 8 times 9 is 72, 8 times 10 is 80. It is very easy. Next, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. 3 of question is for your homework. Now, Vivek is 5 years old. Vivek कितने साल का है? Age of Vivek is 5 years. And father is 8 time. 8 time in maths जब भी हमें time given है, मतलब 8 time, 5 time, 6 time, तो हम क्या कर देंगे, times में multiply. तो 5 into 8 it is 40. So 40 years old his father. Okay. So what is the age of his father is 40 years old. Now make the following. It is very easy. We learn table now. 2 8s are 16. So 2 8s are 16. 4 8s are 32. 9 8s are 72. 8 5s are 40. 7 8 are 56. 8 6 are 48. 3 8s are 24. 8 1s are 8. Okay, it is my answer. Now come on next part. Which is the missing multiplication fact from the table of 8 in question number 6? आपको question number 6 given है, इसमें आपको 8 से 8 की multiplication table given है, तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि इसमें ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो नहीं गिवन है. 8 को 1 से गिवन है, 2 से गिवन है, 3 से गिवन है, 4 से भी है, 5 से भी है, 6 से भी है, 7 से. 7 वाला मिसिंग है, तो 8 इंटू 7 इट इज़, नहीं एक मिनट हम लोग अच्छे से फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64 है ना. So it is the missing of term is 8 into 8, it is 64 है ना. 8 8s are 64 is missing. Now we learn table of 9. Okay, so 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 10 9s are 90. 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 is 54, 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 8 is 72, 9 times 9 is 90, 9 times 9 is 81, 9 times 10 is 90. 2, 3 and 4 is your homework. Now complete each multiplication fact, then shows on the number line. यानी कि 2 boxes बनाने 9 9 के gap के, तो it is the 9, next is 9, so 2 9s are 18. Yes, next 2 9 times 9th line बनानी 2 2 का, sorry 0 2 4 6 8, 2 2 का गैप देके 10 12 14 16 18. ओके, सो इस टाइप से हमने इसका आंसर कंप्लीट कर लिया. सो 9 2 इज ऑल्सो 18. यस, सो हमें कंपेयर करना है विच इज ग्रेटर विच इज लेस. 9 3 27, 8 4 32, विच इज ग्रेटर. सो 32 इज बिग. 9 5 45, 7 6 42, so 45 is big. 9 2 18, 6 3 18, both are equal. Okay, it is the my answer. Table of 10. 1 10 is 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40, 5 tens are 50, 6 tens are 60, 7 tens are 70, 8 tens are 80, 9 tens are 90, 10 tens are 100. 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 5 is 50, 10 times 6 is 60, 10 times 7 is 70, 10 times 8 is 80, 10 times 9 is 90, 10 times 100. And this question number 3 of question is for your homework. Okay, next fill in the blanks. Okay, you learn properties है ना. जीरो को किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते देन वी गेट ऑलवेज जीरो. 9 10s are 90, 4 10s are 40, 6 5s are 30 है ना. 6 5s are 30, so it means 3 into 10 it is 30. 10 8s are 80, 2 less than 7 into 10 it is 70, 70 में से 2 less than it is 68. Okay, there are there are 10 pencil in a stand. एक stand में कितनी pencils है? 10 pencils है. how many pencils are there? 3 such stand. 3 में कितनी होंगी? 10 10 10. we can solve like this type. 10 plus 10 plus 10 it is 30, or 3 times 10 it is also 30. both answer is same. Okay, yes. A doctor see every day 5 poor patients for free, so is help to needy. Okay, मतलब एक डॉक्टर है, वो क्या करता है? रोजाना 5 पेशेंट्स को चेक करता है फ्री में. ठीक है, जिनको ज़रूरत है. हाउ मैनी पेशेंट डज द डॉक्टर सी फ्री इन द 10 days. तो हमें पता करना है कि 10 days में वो कितने पेशेंट्स को फ्री देखता है. तो 10 into 5 it is 50 patients. Okay, so it is the 50 patients. Next, come on, next exercise 5M exercise. In this exercise we are solving multiplication completely. Complete the multiplication fact. 8 3s are 24, 7 2s are 40, 9 3s are 27, 10 6 are 60, 8 4s are 32, 6 into 0 6, 6 8s are 40, 8 9 10s are 90, 5 3s are 15, 7 6 are 42, 9 5s are 45, 7 8 is 56, 8 5s are 40, 0. 5 into 7, 7 into 5, both are same. They both are give one answer, it is 35. 9 into 7 it is 63. रिवर्स कर दिया. ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी है ना, ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी में ऑर्डर चेंज हुआ हुआ है ना. 8 6 are 48. So 8 are 1 into 8 it means order change किया, then 8 into 1. 4 6 are 24, 6 4 are 24, 14 7 to the 14, 2 into 7 it is also 14. Yes, write the number just after 4 to the 8 8 8 plus 1 9, 7 9 the 63 plus 1 64, 8 1 8 into 1 it is 8, 8 plus 1 9. and this is for your homework. जस्ट बिफोर लिखना है. 4 4 the 16 16 minus 1 15, 9 8 the 72 72 before 1 71, 7 4 the 28 28 before 27, and this is for your homework. Next, write the numbers between. इनके numbers between लिखने. It means 3 into 6 and 4 into 6. 6 3 is 18 and it is 24. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So what is the number? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 is the between number. Find the rule and complete the pairs. Okay, हमें rule find out करना है and pairs को complete करना है. 5 5 जा 25, 2 5 जा 10, 4 5 जा 20, 3 5 जा 15, 8 5 जा 40, 9 5 जा 45 is my answer. Next, come on. So what is the rule in the previous question? Multiplication of 5 multiplied by 5. Now we have word problem, and it is the last exercise of this chapter. You go to 5 days school in week, मतलब बोला हुआ है एक वीक में आप कितने डेज स्कूल जा रहे हो? 5 days. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी डेज डू यू go to school in 4 weeks? So 4 week में आप कितने जाओगे? 4 into 5, it is 20 days. So 20 days is my answer. Next, some families are going on picnic. कुछ families पिकनिक जा रही है. If 5 people ride in each car, यानी कि एक 1 car is equals to 5 people, है ना? एक कार में कितने लोग आ रहे हैं? 5 people. So we have 3 cars. 3 into 5, it is 15. So 15 people going on a picnic. So 15 people. नेक्स्ट, शिक्षा बैक 7 केक फॉर ए पार्टी. ओके, वो क्या करी? 7 केक्स बना रही. ईच केक है 7 चेरीज, और हर केक के 7 चेरीज है. तो बोल रहे कि 7 केक्स की इतनी चेरीज होने वाली? 7 7 सा 49 चेरीज. संजीव इज 8 years old. संजीव कितने साल का? 8 year का. एंड हिज ग्रैंड मदर इज 8 टाइम. उसकी ग्रैंड जो मदर है वो उसका 8 टाइम है. इट मीन्स 8 into 8, 64. 8 8 are 64. So what is the age of grandmother? Is 64 year. Next, there were 5 tables laid for a party. Okay, each table 10 people seated. Okay, 5 tables बनी हुई है, उस पे एक टेबल पे 10 people बैठते. तो 5 into 10 it is 50 people बैठने वाले हैं 5 tables पे. Okay, हाउ मैनी व्हील्स आर देयर ऑन 8 cars? हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि 8 cars में कितने व्हील्स होने वाले हैं. ठीक है, अब 1 car इज इक्वल्स टू 4 व्हील्स, है ना? 1 car इज इक्वल्स टू 4 व्हील्स. तो 8 car में कितने हो जाएंगे? 4 8 जा 32. सो 32 व्हील्स. एंड दिस इज फॉर योर होमवर्क. लास्ट पार्ट इज फॉर योर होमवर्क. ओके, so what is the last question? How many rupees do you pay for 7 dolls? आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि 7 doll कितने की आएंगी. इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 doll इज 8 rupees. अगर एक डॉल की कॉस्ट कितनी है? 8 rupees. ओके, सो डू योर वर्क and best of luck for your exam, friends. So bye bye, have a good day, take